Understanding of these terms, chromatin and chromosome, is very crucial in understanding cell division, that is mitosis or meiosis. The most important point is, both are chemically same but represent different structural states of the same genetic material, that is DNA complex with proteins, depending on stages of the cell cycle. Now let us see chromatin and chromosome. So this is the chromatin under electron microscope. So chromatin cannot be seen as distinct unit under light microscope. It is seen as beads on a string structure under electron microscope like this. Whereas chromosomes, on the other hand, under ordinary light microscope, it is clearly visible as distinct units. Chromatin is relaxed, fine thread-like form of DNA that is found in the nucleus during the interphase stage, whereas chromosome are tightly or highly condensed chromatin, that is organized structures of DNA that is visible during cell division or mitosis or meiosis. So as you see, this is chromatin. These are fine threads. When we zoom in, you can see that these threads are wrapped around histone proteins. Whereas chromosomes, this is a metaphase chromosome, the most condensed form of chromosome that we normally use for karyotyping. Now let us see the difference. Chromatin, it is a lower order of organization of DNA as far as condensation is concerned, whereas chromosome is the most condensed form of DNA, especially the metaphase chromosome. Chromatin appears as thin, long thread-like fibers, often called as chromatin reticulum, spread throughout the nucleus during the interphase stage, whereas chromosome are thick, distinct rod-shaped structures that is seen under microscope during mitosis or meiosis. Chromatin is metabolically active that allows transcription, replication, and gene regulation, whereas chromosome is highly condensed, therefore metabolically inactive. The purpose is accurate physical separation of genetic material into daughter cells during cell division. And finally, chemically, chromatin is made up of DNA with histone proteins. Then there are non-histone proteins with some amount of RNA that is needed for transcription or gene regulation. Chromosomes are also chemically same, DNA with histone proteins and non-histone proteins, but with very little RNA, as chromosomes are generally metabolically inactive, not accessible to enzymes or RNA that is needed for gene regulation. Take care, stay blessed.